guys, and welcome to Math channel. We have 16 minus 5 times 3 plus 10. Maybe you solve this math expression in this way. First, 16 minus 5 gives us 11, and 11 times 3 gives us 33. Now 33 plus 10 gives us 33 plus 10 gives us 43. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS that is here, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. And as we know, addition and subtraction are equally important, and this multiplication has a higher priority than this subtraction and addition. So we have to solve this multiplication first according to the PEMDAS. 5 times 3 gives us 15, and now we have 16 minus 15 plus 10 is equals to, and as we know, addition and subtraction are equally important, so we have to solve this expression from left to right. 16 minus 15 gives us 1, and 1 plus 10 gives us 11. The final answer is 11. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.